Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the IT class. Today we are not going through the chapter. We can just revise the chapter 4. Okay, you already know that we have chapter 4 and chapter 5 for the monthly test examination. Okay, so in this video we can revise chapter 4 that is related to Geogebra. So what about chapter 5? You have to read that chapter. Okay, it's about internet. You have to read the chapter 5 and you can revise chapter 4 through this video. Okay, so are you ready? Let us go. Okay. Chapter 4, When Lines Meet. Dear children, what all things we have studied in this chapter? We have studied about which software? Yes, Geogebra. So, let us see how can we open the Geogebra software. Can you say, dear children? Yes, very good. Applications, then education, Geogebra. Okay, so that is the Geogebra software's window. Here we can maximize this window. So in the textbook it says a definition about the Geogebra software. What is that? Geogebra is a free interactive software used to draw and observe the properties of geometrical shapes. So what is Geogebra? It is a free interactive software. What is interactive software? And what is its uses? Yes, it is used to draw and observe the properties of geometrical shapes. We are drawing the shapes like square, rectangle, triangles, circles, then lines, straight lines, etc. in the Geogebra software. So we can say that Geogebra is a free interactive software which used to draw and observe the properties of geometrical shapes. Did you study the definition of Geogebra? What is that? Geogebra is a free interactive software used to draw and observe the properties of geometrical shapes. Okay. Next we can move through the other topic, that is activity 4.1, the properties of adjacent angles when two straight lines intersect. Okay, so for that, first step is open Geogebra in the following order. What is the order? Applications, education, Geogebra. Then you have to select the line tool. See, dear children, this is the line tool. Can you see? This is the line tool and this is the segment tool. Okay, so both of them are looking similar now, but there is slight difference between both tools. Line tool is used to draw the lines. I will show you that. We can just close this. We can just hide the grid. Okay. Now here this is the line tool and this is the segment tool. I am drawing a line using the line tool by marking 2 points. Okay, so this is the line tool and I will show you the segment tool. This is the segment tool. Okay, so did you feel the difference between line tool and segment tool? Can you say which one is the line tool? First one or second one? Yes, this is the line we drawn by line tool. Okay, next this is segment tools. Okay, so don't confuse. This one is line tool and this portion is and this line is drawn with a segment tool. Okay, so now we can draw a line and now we can give the names for these 2 points. Okay, how can we give the labels? How can we give the names to these points? Yes, just right click on the mouse, then put a tick mark on show label. Okay, see the name or the label A has came here. Okay, next just right click here Then put a tick mark on the show label. Okay, see, we have given the name for that 2 points. What is the names? A and B. So we can call the line AB. Okay. Now I am going to draw another line by using the segment tool, not using the line tool. Okay, so this is the segment tool and I am drawing a line which is intersecting on the line AB. Okay, intersecting means joining. Okay, we can give the names by clicking on show label. Okay, C, then D. Okay. Then, dear children, now we are going to find out the angle. We can move this by using the move tool. Okay, this is the move tool. Likewise, we can move. Now, I am going to find the angle here. This is the angle. How can we find out the angle? What is the order? First of all, just select the angle tool from the toolbox. Now, we have to click on the points in the order B, D, C. Okay, so that is the anti-clockwise order. First of all, click on the B, then D, then C. Okay. Now you say, what is the order to find out this angle? The clock is rotating like this. So anti-clockwise means angle C, then D, A. Okay, you can move the values by using the move tool. Okay, so dear children, finally we have found out the two angles, that is the line AB is intersecting with line CD, and we have found out two angles. First one is angle BDC and second one is angle CDA. Okay, and we have studied to give the labels for the points. How can we give the labels? Just right click on the point, then put a tick mark on the show label option. Okay, now did you notice that the value of the angle is in a decimal numbers? So we have to convert this measurement of angle into a whole number. How can we change it? Yes, click on options. Then go to rounding. Then here tick 0 decimal points. Okay, now it has changed into a whole number. Okay, now we can set it into 90 degree. See, it's very interesting now. Okay, so dear children, can you say that what is the sum of two angles if a line is intersecting with another straight line? See, this is 150 and this is 30. So 150 plus 30 means, yes, very good, 180 degree. Now I am changing the angle. Okay, 40 plus 140. What is the answer? 180 degree. Then I will show you another angle. This 100 plus 80. What is the answer? Yes, 180. So by this we can conclude that the sum of two angles, that is joining or that is intersecting a straight line with another straight line, we will get the sum is 180 degree. Okay. So dear children, in this chapter I will show you another tool, that is intersection tool. Okay. For that we can draw lines by using line tool. Now I am selecting the line tool and drawing line AB and line CD. Okay. Now we can give the names for each points: A, D, then B. Now we have to find out the intersection point. This is the point that is intersecting both the lines. Line AB and line CD is joining at this point. So we have to find out the intersection point. For that we can make use of intersect tool. This is the picture for intersect tool. Then click on the line CD and line AB. Now we can see a point is appeared here. So we can call that point as intersection point and we can give the label. Okay, I have given the name as E. Okay. So we can give the angle. What is the order to finding this? Yes, angle B E C. What is the order for finding this? D E B. Here A E D. Next, the last angle C E A. Okay. Now we can move it for C. Okay. Now I am changing these decimal values into a whole number by clicking on options, rounding, then 0 decimal places. Okay, see, it is very easy now. Okay, so here also you can see that the sum of two angles. What is that? 100 plus 80, 180 degree. Also you can see that the opposite angles are equal. Here 100 degree and what is the opposite angle? That is also 180 degree. Here it is 80 degree, opposite angle is also 80 degree. See here 130, here also 130, 50, then 50. Okay. See 38 degree equal to 38 degree. Here 142 degree, here also 142 degree. So we can say that opposite angles are also equal. Okay. Now I will draw a polygon here. Okay. So for drawing polygon, here we can make use of the polygon tool. 4 points A, B, C, D. And for finishing drawing, you can click on the starting point. Okay. So for finding out the angle, you no need to take the order. Okay, just select the angle tool and just you can click inside the polygon. See, the angles will display automatically. Okay, it is very easy now. Okay. So dear children, these are all about chapter 4. So this chapter is for the examination. You have to prepare well. You have to study each and every tools and its pictures. Okay. Also you have to study the steps for drawing each. So all the best for your examinations. Be prepared and study well. Thank you.